I'm just gonna open it. Hey guys, it's me again, Julie. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. And so this video is gonna be the part 2 of our video from last week. It has a title of Ikea Pax Wardrobe or Ikea Pax Planner, Design Your Wardrobe, blah blah blah. Yeah, we've finished everything. I've also sorted all the clothes out and put them all together, organized it, and that I think for me it looks good and my husband's impressed with it. So yeah, I'm just excited to show you guys. Please don't judge. Yeah, it's just small room, so you'd see it. I'm just gonna go to our room now and show you how it looks. So let's go. And ta-da! That's our walk-in closet. Have here the jewelry, I don't know, organizer and that. Got that, those jewelries, and belt, glasses, and my husband's, what's it called, necktie. Clothes are in there. That I put them all together because some of my dresses are too long, so I just put it there instead. And then our coats, our winter coats, and some of my very long dresses on that side. And here, welcome. It's all unbranded apart from this one. This is my very branded bag. And those shorts and skirts and some tops. Yeah, and hats. And this, what's it called? My husband's trousers. And I think this is my husband's favorite part. It's the pull-out trouser, so that's all his. Mine's are in the drawers, so yeah, I love it like that. And more drawers. And also I'm thinking, with that space there, I'm still thinking what to put in there, so maybe I'd give you an update one day. Yeah, I'm also thinking to put some strip lights down there and spotlights in each. And also maybe in the future I'm gonna put some mirror in there. I'm not done yet, so yeah. And put some rug in the floor and change the lighting as well. So if you want to know how much total we've spent for this all, we've just spent less than $1,000. And also it would depend on how you design your wardrobe and the measurement as well, like the frames, drawers. If you saw the first part of this video, then you'd see it. Yeah, it all depends on the measurement and the size of the frames and all that, the design. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending time watching this short video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click to that notification bell so that you'll be notified for my next video. And I'm still thinking what my next project would be, because we have loads to do in this house. So we're just taking it slowly, like step by step, or one at a time. We're just doing it one at a time. And so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!